What's up, kids? Welcome to my shitty videos. Remember, don't subscribe, don't like, just here for fun. So I think I got something in the mail today from the CROSSROPE people. Let's see what this looks like. By the way, if you haven't seen my video on Ganzo knives, go watch it. These are awesome, and they are a fraction of the cost of a Spyderco. Now, I'm guessing they're not as cool as the Spyderco. It's probably not the same material, but these are pretty good, pretty strong, and there are torture tests online that will impress you with the Ganzo line of knives. Anyway, back to the jump rope. So, my absolute favorite cardio and favorite warm-up and just favorite exercise, maybe next to deadlifts, is jumping rope. And I bit the bullet, guys. I asked the wife, I said, hey, I'm treating myself for my birthday this year. It's either a gun or a cool jump rope. And guess what she chose? So now this is cool because, okay, this is weird, guys, because I ordered a discounted 2020 model that came with, it was supposed to come with one rope, but they, you know what? They might have upgraded me, to be honest. So, I don't know. I ordered it was one rope. It was $89, I think. And it was a past model with one rope. I know that because I selected out of ordering the next step up, which had the two. And one is definitely heavier than the other and a little thicker. And wow, okay. So I'm impressed already. Let's see. Flawless handles, just like on those YouTube videos that led me to go get this because everybody's saying they're so great. Wow. Still spinning. Still spinning, guys. Okay, I'm a minute into just opening this box, and I'm already pretty impressed with this. Thank you to the jump rope dudes. I think that's the first video I saw on jump ropes. And I have two other jump ropes. I have a basic one by Rogue, and I have one from, what is it called? A cheap one from Amazon, but it's cable, so it's fast. Is it called CrossFit or? I'm sure you've seen it. It's some kind of CrossFit, something in Amazon. They're like $15 for one rope. Very thin cable and a very nice rope, actually. But wow, little bag to carry my rope. So when I travel, I can bring my rope. You know, I like running, I like jogging, but it's just, I have flat feet, so then I can only jog so much, and then I have to do other stuff to get my exercise in. But with the rope, I can do more of that HIIT style workout where I can go, take a break, let my arches kind of calm down, relax a little bit before I go again real hard, and then stop and, you know, mix weights in there and everything. And so, okay, so we got a bag, we got the two ropes. Let's see the second handle. You ready? And spinners and spinners and spinners and spinners. Who remembers that? Anybody remember that? Chris Rock? It's spinning and spinning and spinning. If you remember that and you write in the comment, you might get something from me. I don't know. I'm just going to say that. Wow. Come on now. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Wow. So is this magic? No, it's not. Am I going to get any more benefit from this compared to a cheaper rope? No. But I think if you can swing it, you should, because I can't wait to go work out with this. And if it drives you to doing more of it, then it's worth it. You know, like any exercise gear, right? If you use it, then it's cheap. If you don't use it, then it's expensive. Like a gym membership, right? If you pay $100 a month for a gym and you go every day, it's cheap. If you pay $100 for a month for a gym and you go once a month, it's incredibly expensive. So I think it's the same thing with something like this. But wow, for, you know, I gotta say, for $89, let me double check. For $89, this is not bad. If you have watched the videos and you're on the fence about this, I gotta tell you, this is first class. So this is like flying first class, you guys. It feels, I mean, this is high quality all throughout. Let me see. Just solid stuff. One handle weighs more than an entire, basic cable speed rope. Just one handle. Wow, just super happy with this. So the money I saved on not buying a Spyderco knife and getting this Ganzo for $14, that cuts just the same, guys, as a Spyderco. And I've played with them, and just trust me when I tell you, it cuts the same, okay? It cuts the same as a Spyderco. Those funds went to that, and I can't wait to try this. Super cool. If I see views and activity and interest on the usage portion of this review, I'll do another video. If not, then here's your unboxing. It just feels great, and I can't wait to go use it. So I'm gonna do that now. Gotta go burn those cheeseburgers I just had. Gotta get to work. Gotta get to chores, and then gotta get to everything else. So thank you guys for stopping by my CROSSROPE unboxing.